Yay. Well, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I overslept a little bit, so we're going to be a little late than normal. But I think everything is in. As far as it looks complete, I still have a lot to do it. But it looks good. Everything's ready to go. Super glued the weatherite coat hanger. Truck's all packed up, ready to go. I gotta fix this mirror because I couldn't see out of my truck. Oh, shoot. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like these mirrors. I don't like these mirrors. I'll mess with it later. I get in the truck. It's ready to go. She is ready and hot. That's the new lens on the right hand side. KC 9x6 lights. I couldn't do the front bar because my drill slipped and made a nasty gash in the bull bar, so I'll have to just do that at work or something. Just like, I have to take the bar off, and I don't know. Either way, I'm ready. It's about ready to go. Relays are all ready for those lights if I ever get them installed. Here we go. We're almost to the Kansas border. Some bad storms raging out west near Lyman. Probably coming this way here eventually. So we're just maybe 20 miles east of Eads, Colorado, with the wonderful Dorothy and the twister truck and all that doo-doo, stuff like that. And yeah. Tailgate opened up slightly again, but I gotta figure that out. And let's check the reason why I stopped is actually so we can switch folks and check the lug nuts on the rears. Rice Old Colorado. Not bad. Next Sounds Granada will be turning left, so.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto East Goff Avenue.
And just slow slowly coast to a stop. What the hell? Start hitting your brakes.
Do I need to put the clutch in?
No, just hit your brakes. Don't hit this freaking Cadillac. And don't, that guy's might be getting out. Hey, look, Trackmobile. Little Trackmobile right there.
Oh, yeah.
BNSF. Max, that came from Mexico. I think we might be sitting here for a little bit. Out over there, we got a fire or something going on over there. Holy smokes. Man. Ooh, train tracks. BNSF Railway, that's kind of cool. They have their own sign that lets us know this is BNSF Railway. So let's see. Smoke. There's smoke, there's fire, there's smoke. Wait, welcome to Holly, Colorado. Bad storm's out that way. Past that fire. Church of Christ. Holly.
Camping.
Alright, down in third gear. Shift in. Roy Romer, huh? Alright, Kansas, Santa Fe Trail Route, audio tour. Can't even say audio tour. Yeah, that's it. Plane. Kind of cool. Here we are, Dodge City, Kansas. How did William Conrad put it? I forgot. Dodge City. Getting a little late. We got about still another 2 hours till we get to Waukita, Oklahoma. Thankfully, haven't ran into anything but bugs. Cool looking train stuff and whatnot. Trucks follow marked route. Okay. Dodge City. Full of outlaws and everything. Only one man takes the tail. Dangerous job. Someone's got to do it. That's a little bit lonely. So it was getting later and later. After stopping in Dodge for gas and a Freddy's Burger, we headed straight south on Route 84 towards Oklahoma. Around 1 a.m. we made it to the Airbnb, where everyone else was already asleep. So we had to take the only bedroom that was left available, the bunk beds, with the air conditioning unit. During the credits, please enjoy Mr. Judson's tour of our Airbnb that we stayed at. I'd also like to give a shout out to Nathan for reserving the Airbnb. It was a great place to stay with a really great garage for all our vehicles as well, and a great place to meet up. No, we're gonna finish it. It needs a lot of work, but it took 4 months just to get this thing running because I have the carburetor.
Yeah, we just got it.
him. His is still sexy as hell. This is the living room space. That's a mom. Let's see. Here's one of the bedrooms. Here are some bunk beds. Another room. Let's see. You have a kitchen. Sorry, our light's not on. And then we have some house rules right there. We have like an extra outdoor patio with a basement going down there. Well, not outdoor patio, indoor patio, I guess. The washer and dryer. The first bathroom. Let's see. Ow. Door. Room right here. I don't think we touched it. I'm not touching it. Another bathroom. Right here, down this hallway. You have an upstairs, which I don't see a light anywhere. Oh, right here. Oh. It's pretty hot up here. Bigger beds up here. Big room up here. Oh, some kind of half bathroom. Little sofa. And another large bed.